Hi, it's Adrienne with the Oliver team at Remax Universal. Wanted to talk to you today about swimming pools. So it's the height of the summer, everybody wants a pool, right? So like everything else in life, there are pros and cons to everything. So wanted to give you some pros and some cons about having a swimming pool. So, the first thing I will talk to you about is recreation, right? The pros of having a pool are that swimming pools are a great way to exercise for adults and children. There's an added benefit of no impact exercising, plus all over fun-filled activities. Adults and kids alike both enjoy playing and relaxing in a pool. Summertime parties or late night swims are always something that you're able to enjoy when you own your own pool. Cons: swimming pools can be dangerous around children, especially those that don't know how to swim. If you choose to own a swimming pool, you should put in safety fencing or door locks around it. The homeowner can be held responsible for any injuries that are caused by the pool. Costs is the next one. So pros: in the current building economy, having a swimming pool installed is much more affordable than it was years and years ago. The benefit of the cost is also appealing when it comes to resale. A home buyer will more likely be attracted to your property than those without a pool, especially in the Houston market. Cons: when selling your home, you will not receive back the initial amount of money that you have invested. Remember, all home upgrades and renovations equate with the current market demand in your area. So only a residential appraiser can tell you exactly how much it is, but it's usually about 50% is what I see. The next thing is maintenance. So many swimming pool owners know how to keep their pools and know how to do pool maintenance. I strongly encourage you to do your own research before you consider buying a pool. So if you also can do research on different pool schools, different pool companies, they're abundant in the Houston area. Cons are: if you don't take care of your pool, you will have health and safety issues. It is another item in the home that needs maintenance. So it can be a beautiful addition to your home with the proper knowledge and the proper research. This is Adrienne Oliver with Remax Universal. I hope that you learned something about the pros and cons of owning a swimming pool. If you have questions about this or any other thing having to do with real estate, please give me a phone call. My cell phone number is the best number to reach me. That number is 832-217-7141. Thank you, and make it a great day.